Hello friends, this is the second part of comparable and comparator. In the first part we've seen about the comparable interface, where we implemented the comparable interface in the person class, and we provide the compare2 method which we pass certain parameters. On the basis of sorting technique we return positive and negative and zero number. And in the main class what we did, we passed the person list, and in the list of the person we passed the two person objects and sorted on the basis of comparable interface. Now what we will do, in this part we will sort on the basis of comparator. So for comparator we can provide custom methods, one comparator for another sorting, like on the sorting on the basis of name, and another comparator on the basis of age we can provide. So we can make different comparators, and on the basis of different comparators we can sort whatever the requirement will be. So let's create two classes. I'll first create a class with name as name comparator, and I'll click on finish, and another class I'll make age comparator, and on the name comparator I'll implement comparator, and I'll provide this person object and add the unimplemented method here. And in this what I'll do, I'll just return string comparison of the name, that is I'll sort on the basis of the name, that is this thing. On the basis of name I'll sort the data. So I'll just return, it has two objects, object 1 and object 2. So it compares the object of two objects which have been provided. So I will sort return o1 dot get name dot compare. This is the method of to compare strings. So I'll return get name. So it will return an integer. If o1 is greater than o1 dot get name comes before, then it will give a positive number, else it will give a negative number. So this part has been done. Now let's compare on the basis of age. So for that we implement comparator here also, and pass the argument of person, and add the unimplemented method, same as we did for the sorting on the basis of name. And here what I will do, I'll just pass the age difference of o1 and o2, that is o1 dot get name get age. I'll subtract this with o2 dot get age. So on the basis of this it will give a positive, negative, or a 0. So and see what I'll be doing here. I'll just clear the console and everything, and go to the main class. I will not use this, instead I'll be using comparator. So for that I'll go for collections dot sort, and I'll use the second method, that is for comparator. And first will be the list only, and second will be the comparator class which we want on the basis of sorting. So first go for new comparator, name comparator, and so I'll pass here argument as new name, name comparator, which I have created to sort on the basis of name. And let's check the data which we are having. We have the data as Sumit and John. So age difference is also there. Let's leave the age only, and now let's check the data. See, John is coming in the first place, so it's showing on the first, and then Sumit is coming after that. So to be more specific, let's make the John age more than the Sumit. So make it 18 and this make it 22. So I will start this. See, instead of this having more edge, the John is coming on top. Why? Because we are comparing on the basis of name comparator. And now let's go for the age sorting on the basis of age. So on the basis of age, we'll just call the comparator of the age which we have created, that is this age comparator. P age comparator, this thing. So now what I'll do, when I'll sort this, the data is coming as this. Let me copy this so that we can show you. And when I'll run this, see the data is coming as this. Earlier it was coming, this was coming in the second place because it was sorting on the basis of the name, and now it is sorting on the basis of age, so it is coming in the top. So in this way we can create custom comparators, and we can, on the basis of the requirement, like at one place you require on the basis of name to sort on the basis of name, then just call the name comparator, and another place you want to sort on the basis of age, then you can call the age comparator, and there is no need to call this comparable here. You can just do it directly by calling on the, I remove this also because here I am not using comparable, instead I am using comparator. So see, we got the data on the basis of sorting technique using comparator. That's all about the comparable and comparator interface. So thanks for watching.